Hello, JChem fam. This is metric conversion worksheet number 3. I just wanted to go over a couple examples to make sure that you were feeling confident and good with everything as far as metrics is concerned. First things first, don't forget that you need to know your prefixes. So King Harold died by drinking chocolate milk. That means that you have kilo, hecto, deca, base, deci, centi, milli. Don't forget under base, that really stands for the base units of meters, grams, liters, or seconds. Let's start by doing number 1. If you have 1660 centigrams, that's CG, and you want to convert that to grams, that means that you would be starting on the chart at centi and going to the base unit under grams. So that means that you would be moving 2 spaces to the left. So if we take our number we started with, 1660 centigrams, and move 2 spaces to the left, your answer ends up being 16.60 grams for an answer. Again, just using the loop and swoop method, whatever you want to call it, but switching your decimal point around just like it is on the chart is going to get you to that answer. No worries. If we take a look at number 2, we're going from deciliters, lowercase d, capital L, to milliliters. So we're going from deci to milli. On the chart, that would be deci to milli, so you'd move 2 to the right. Therefore, if you had your number of 564,320, and we moved it 2 to the right, 1, 2, you would add 2 zeros. So your final answer would be 564,320,00 milliliters, which ends up being, if we count our decimals back, 56,432,000 milliliters. If we skip to number 5, 265 millimeters converted to decameters, that's capital DM, decameters, or DAM. I've seen it occasionally, usually capital D though. But you're going from millimeters to decameters, which means you're starting at the prefix milli, going to deca, 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left. That's what you're going to do with your number. So if you have 265 millimeters, and again you're going 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left, we're going to start with our decimal in front of the number and go 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left. So that means if we can put our final number in, it'd be 0.0265, and the units would be decameters. Simple as that. Metric conversions with scientific notation has been throwing a few of you off, so I did want to go through a couple of these. Let's look at number 9. 3.2 times 10 to the 5th seconds, and you're going to convert to kiloseconds. So we know the drill. Seconds is technically a base unit, so we're going to go from base all the way to kilo, which is 3 to the left. Now, there's a couple things you could do. You could convert this number to a regular number and then move the decimal 3 to the left. Or, with scientific notation in the exponent, if you move to the left, then you subtract numbers from your exponent. And if you move to the right, you can add that number to the exponent. Since we moved 1, 2, 3 to the left, we can simply take the number, and 3 to the left means subtract 3. So we can take 5 and subtract 3 from the exponent, which would now give you 3.2 times 10 to the 2nd power, and instead of in seconds, the original units, we are now in kiloseconds. It's as simple as that. Trying number 10 out, you are going to convert 4.53 times 10 to the negative 7th decagrams into milligrams. So to do that, let me get another color. We're going to start at deca and go to milli. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. To the right means that we add to the exponent. So we're going to take 4.53 times 10 to the negative 7th, and I'm going to add 4 to that, Well, what's 4 plus negative 7? It's negative 3. So 4.53 times 10 to the negative third, and now in units of milligrams. Again, that quick. Let's do one more to finish it off. Number 11. Let me start with this color. We've got 9.311 times 10 to the fourth. You're in centimeters, and you want to go to meters. Let me get a green color so we can try this again. Centimeters, and forgive me, that's not millimeters, that's regular meters, so it's going to be base. Centi to base is 1, 2 to the left. To the left is subtract. So I am going to subtract 2 from that scientific notation number, and I'm going to end up with 9.311 times 10 to the second in units of meters. Remember, meters is a base. So instead of millimeters, which is under M for the prefix M, it's under B for base. All right. Hopefully a little bit of this tutorial helped you get a little more confident with your metric conversions. If after these 3 practice worksheets and seeing some of these tutorials and extra online videos and you still find yourself struggling, it's definitely time to come in and let's go through it one-on-one together to make sure that you're set and solid for the beginning of the school year. All right. Have a great night. Thank you so much, Jacob.